see, how is my mic? Okay, let me do it. Is the mic too bad, or is the music too high? What about now? Okay, nice. Let's just watch Ace dying over and over and wait for some other people more people to join us. Hey, what's up, Wilhelmers or wherever I should pronounce that. Hey folks, so I will be starting now, and I hope everyone is here. So, for those who don't know me, I'm Roni. I'm one of the programmers of Relic Hunters, and I will be presenting here today some features we are working right now. And if we had any problem with the mic volume or the image or freezing frames or anything, please just tell me in the chat. And if you have any questions about the process or anything I'm doing or anything you want to know about the game, please just ask in the chat. Okay. So 2 weeks ago we had a little holiday on Hogsnail, and when we came back we looked at the game and thought maybe we can make the game a little more visual appealing, or working on some really just small details to make the game feel better. And we decided to spend 2 weeks only on visual effects and visual feedbacks and sound feedbacks for the actions of each character. And I will present some of the stuff, and I will be fixing some issues that appeared today for us. And yeah, let's start. So as you can see, Ace is dying over and over, and I will be back here in the animations in a minute, but let's start on Unity. So some streams ago, I showed you some of the level editor features we have, and some of the tools we use to design the levels and this kind of stuff. And here is our level editor, and this is the view we usually have when we are editing a level, a new level or an old level. And one of the things we added in this later update, not a public update, but a internal update, is something we call surface data, which is the link between the tile, which is a little square in the level, with the data of the surface of each of those tiles. So in this tile we will have a data describing. No, the level isn't 2D, it's full 3D. So in this tile, for instance, we have like the grass particles, we have the grass sound effect, we have like dirty particles for when you shoot this tile and this kind of stuff. So we made this huge system that holds all this information, and from now on, each time we make a new tile, let's say snow tile or cave tile, cave ground tile or anything like that, we can just assign this information, and the system will handle automatically what should trigger when you shoot, what kind of sound, or what kind of visual effects, particles, and every of the stuff. So let me show you just a little moment. And for all those things to work, we need two systems to work together. One system is the character system, which will contain the events of the character. Let's say like when the character hits the ground with its feet, it should trigger a little smoke of dust, right? So this is the character part, and then there is the level part, which will tells the system which kind of ground is it, and which kind of dust should it trigger. So you can see right now, as I walk to the level, there are little yeah, it's my alias. As you can see, there are those little puffs of smoke that trigger when I walk, and this is the kind of effect. It's just a placeholder effect, of course, and Beto is working on the final version, but yeah, it's already working. And when I'm shooting to this wall right here, you can see a yellow glow. It's just a placeholder effect for in the future there will be like little stones popping around and this kind of stuff. So now we have this much more complex and much more fun way to interact with the level. And I think, no, I can, but yeah, we are working on several features at the same time. So right now I'm working on this interaction system, and Kayo is working on the grass and how the grass should move with the wind or move when the player passes through it. And what more? Beto is working on the particles and the visuals of the particles. Mari is working, I think she's not working on this. Ah no, oh no, yeah, she's working on the trees and the effects that trees will trigger when you hit them. So, for instance, there is a tree that have some little fruits and on the branches, and when you shoot it, some of the fruits will fall off. This is already working, but I can't show you right now. So yeah, as I said before, there are two systems: the character system and the level system. And the character system depends on the animations to properly work. So I think you can see when the feet connects to the ground, there is a event called in the animation that tells the game, hey, now you should trigger the ground effect, right? And the only character right now that have this information is Dimi. So we will be working on the other characters and working their animations in order to trigger these events on the right moment and in the right place, right? So let's jump to Spine, which is the program we use to animate the characters. All those animations are were made by Beto, and here are AC twerking. And so we need to find the walking animation, which is this one, and we need to assign events to the right frames in order to trigger the right effect. So let's do it. Event, and the event name is step. That should do it. And then I need to find the exact frame where his feet connect to the ground, and bam. So from this moment on, this animation should be working, and if I go back to the Unity after exporting the character, it should be working already. So let's see the other feed there. Like that. I'm off screen browsing some files, but I will be on the main screen right now. Okay. So after I made any fixes or anything to the animation, I need to export again the character, and I need to import it on Unity. So I will find this skeleton. Copy here and paste it here. Yeah, it should be working. Let's find out. Let's change for 80. No, I think it's not working. And I know why. This new system really needs it demands a lot of requirements. One of those is the bone, which is this little guy right here. This one, yeah. It should be should have the right name. So it's not the right name. The right name is fit underscore par. Yeah, and the same for the other fit. Underscore. No, just should do it. Let's see. So again, any modifications or anything we do with the animations, we need to export and then placing inside the project. Hop back to Unity, wait a little moment, and then test. Let's see if it's working right now. Open the door. Yeah, it's working. So it's kind of weird, I guess. Oh right, I only fixed the walking animation. As I start to run, there's no dust anymore. So I need to go there and fix the sprint animation too. So yeah, again, if you need any questions, if you want to ask or anything, just ask in the chat. Let's get back to Spine, and we need to do the same thing on the spring animation. Let's see, yeah. Right here. And right here. For again. Let's see if the sprint will trigger the particles. No, not working. Oh, okay, only the back. Yes, because I only did it in the back. Okay, let's go to the front. That should do it. Yeah, it's working. So I will need to do the same thing on all the characters right now. Yeah, and Rafi doesn't have any of her skills working right now, so I think she will be a very interesting character once we finish her skills. And there's a lot to come on the skill side of things. And Rafi will be a very special character in this regard. So let's fix her right now. So yeah, I think I'm not supposed to show it, but yeah, here she is, and here are some of her animations right now. It's not like it's not finished, and but there are some previews of how the animations will work. So let's see, events, add new. Yeah, it's a very ugly placeholder, but yeah, usually we do a lot of those things. We get like any placeholder images or anything that we can use very fast just to test if the concept really works or or yeah, and we kind of do it while programming too. So we really do simple things or the fastest thing on prototyping phase. Let's test ref right now. Let's see if she's working. I just forgot to check out the if she had the right bone name, but okay. Let's see. Yeah, the bones were alright, and yeah, spring, walking, and all the particles are here. Let's see if we have grass particles. Let's see, this level has grass, not glass, grass. Okay, I think I found a bug. Let's play again. Let's see if it crashes again. Yeah, this level is broken. I will need to fix that later. Aurel, I'm not sure. Lucy, can you answer this? Or yeah, I I will check it and I will be answering that about the audio. I'm not sure. About the multiplayer technology, we are using Photon Network. And yeah, basically it's off the shelf Photon, and we have a lot of custom extensions for it. So yeah, and we are willing to talk about the network in the future in the form of a little talk. And I think my internet is down, I guess. No, because I'm streaming. Let's just find out why the game is not connecting. Yeah, it's connecting. So, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so we made some really interesting things with the multiplayer of Relic. All the system for skills and this kind of stuff is all custom made, and it's pretty complex. It would be cool to talk a little more about it, but we need some planning and kind of stuff. Yeah, guys, just a little second. My second monitor went crazy and it's turning off. Just one moment, please. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry about that. Let's just wait. Turn on. Yeah, all text will be presented on Portuguese and of course Quebec, which is the main language of the game actually. Yeah, you can see right here. So yeah, Raf is working. Let's go for the next character. And Jim is already working. I started with it. Yeah, let's do picking. So first off, let's create the event. Oh yeah, let me show you this little piece of animation. This one, just look at it. It's awesome. It's awesome, isn't it? Yeah, it should do it. Export, find the folder. Yeah, we just deleted the old version. Yeah, I should check the ball name. And yeah, it's wrong. So right. And it's not the same here. Let's export again. Yeah. So again, just fixing and exporting, importing, so we can test your animation. Ah, fuck. Sorry about it. I don't know exactly why the code is open, but yeah. Anyway. Just to keep things a little more organized. Yeah. Exporting again, because I messed up some of the properties. Exporting. It's taking a while because as I deleted the old files, it needs to recreate all those files. So yeah, now she's back in the game. I need just to make some configurations in order for her to work again. Let's go here, her skin, and her again here, and yeah, should be working. Let's test. Yeah, it's working. While walking. It's working while running. That's what's really matter. And let's make some enemies right now. Here are the bad guys. And you ran that. Let's change it to this far. Just because it can. because this one is much cooler. And okay, walking, walk. So here, and not pretty sure. I think it's here. Okay. Yeah, I think enemies can't sprint, so there's just the walking animation. Export, choose the folder. All the settings are alright. So let's see. What's the name of the file again? Yes, hello. Yeah. Yeah, let's test out. Let's see if the enemies also trigger the effects in the environment. And let's see. I think my internet is all going to the stream, and I can't even connect to the game. But let's try again. Yeah, it's working. Come here, little duck. Yeah, walk for me, and it's not working. Let's see the bone name. There, I always keep forgetting bone feature. Yeah, to the right. Why it's not working? No. I'm just checking my notes if I'm not forgetting anything. Yeah, should be working. Let's take a look on the enemy object. Maybe there is something misconfigured here. Visuals, the controller. Animation. Okay, I'm not I'm not even looking at the right object. No, I am. Yeah. Here's the problem. Why? That should do it. Let's see. Yeah, now the enemies also trigger the effect and everything. Yeah, pretty cool. And the last enemy we need to do it is the Turlock guy. Let's find out. Here is it. Yeah, but I don't think it's the right file. Yeah, I think this one is the right one. Yeah, with the new skins and everything. Yeah. New event. Here's one. Here's another. Let's check the bone name. Yeah. Underscore L. No. Underscore R. Okay. Underscore L. Save for. Effects galo som gota. What are you talking about, Lucy? What is this sad face right here? What is this? Yeah, I'm sad. Yeah. Let's override this file. Replace it. Yeah, let's see if the Turlock enemy have those effects of this card and all this kind of stuff. No, the worst joke ever. My main character is Ace. And I hope that there are Turlocks here. Oh, that's the tree I was talking about. Mary is working with these trees, so the little fruits fall off when you shoot it. It's pretty cute. A bunch of, yeah, of course. On the grass there are no dust. Great. I need to find one Turlock on a sand or ground tile. Let's see if there are selecting in the hard mode here. Where are those? Yeah, and it's working. And it's very hard and I'm gonna die. Maybe I'm not dying. Let's find more turtles. Come on, little turtlet. Where are you? Here it is, and the dust is coming, and everything's working. So I will start to wrap up for today, and yeah, just to let everyone knows. We are working on this kind of stuff right now, on some effects and some little stuff. For instance, this little crane right here, this one, it's actually moving in the current version. I think I can show you. Just wait a second. Here. I'm just trying to find off screen the effect that I want to show you. Just 1 second. Here it is. Yeah, you can see it right here. And that's the kind of stuff we are working right now. Just little details before we return to the hard work, the inventory system and the loot system and everything that are the main focus in this year. So yeah, it's pretty cool, and we are planning to have this kind of effect in pretty much the whole level, and all the flags and the little posters and everything. Everything should react in some way to the shooting and the stepping and everything. And yeah, it's coming along very well. Let's just keep killing some ducks, and there were 3 ducks hopping the frames. And I'm dead. Thank you for joining us. Let's try to play this level again. Yeah, this level is definitely broken. Yeah, so everyone, I'm just wrapping up here, and thank you very much for coming today. Hope to see you next time. Please follow us on Twitch. It's very important, so you can get the notifications when we start our streams. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on everywhere but the real life. But yeah, thank you for joining. See you next time.